Estamos en Tokio, ya queda poco ya para la pelea, así que mira, me siento feliz. Hasta ahora lo que he conocido, la comida, la cultura es totalmente diferente y además yo estoy feliz de estar acá. No lo necesito. I don't need it. I love it. Maybe 20, 25. Ha pasado poco tiempo después de que me coroné campeón y pues el trabajo mío es este. Estoy feliz de defender por primera vez mi vida, lo que sea acá en esta plaza tan grande como es Tokio y en este evento donde va a pelear Inoue contra Fulton en una gran pelea. Por lo tanto, nada, estamos ready. Mira, lo que puedo decir es que espero que venga listo porque yo estoy listo para trabajar al 100% y darle el mejor espectáculo al público.
We're going to the shrine, one of the best shrines around, so check it out. So we have Robeisy guiding us. Where are we going? We're here exploring, getting to know the rich culture of Japan. Robeisy is very excited to be getting to know the culture. We're here at the Meiji Jinju Shrine. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's see how it goes.
Primero te la lava, después toma y después te vuelve a lavar. Igual hacerme la cruz como...
We got in July 12th and want to get Robeisy used to the time zone change. And he's been great. He's been training every day with Ismael Saras and Carlos Velasquez. And at the same time, he's also gotten the opportunity to see some of the popular attractions here in Tokyo and Yokohama as well. And he's doing great weight-wise, so he's also sampled all the offerings that Tokyo has in terms of food. So it's been a great week, or a great couple weeks at this point. And I think Robeisy is not only getting another opportunity to showcase his skill, but also growing as a person in the sense that he's continuing to travel and understand different cultures now as a free man, having left Cuba. So I'm happy to be part of his team and happy to be here with him. I think Robeisy has already done away with that myth that Cuban fighters are boring. He comes forward and I think that's what we should expect boxing wise. He's in top shape and he'll be great. He'll be great, and I think he'll be a great appetizer for another fantastic fight in Fulton versus Inoue.
Vamos 25, Tokio, esperen buen show.